If you're looking to level up your website and make it more user-friendly, stick around. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to create a sticky header on your WordPress site and do it completely free using just built-in features. By the end of this video, your site will have that polished, professional touch where the header stays visible as visitors scroll. It's a small change, but trust me, it makes navigating your site so much easier and gives your site that modern edge. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head up to the top of the editor and click on what's called Document Overview. You might know it as the little outline icon, usually at the top left of your editing screen. This dropdown is super useful. It lets you quickly see all the parts of your page at a glance, so you're not hunting around trying to select the right things. Once you click into List View, you'll see the structure of your page laid out, kind of like a family tree. Now in the list view, look for your header. Sometimes it's just called header or maybe site header, depending on your theme. Click on that header section. This is crux of the magic because we want to tell WordPress to group everything in the header together so sticky behavior applies to the whole thing. Next, look for the three-dot menu, also called Options or More. This little menu is usually at the right or top corner of whatever block you've selected. Go ahead and click that. You'll see an option called Group. What this does is wrap your header elements together, keeping the logo, menu, and any extras moving as one unit. Grouping things is like putting all your header items in a basket so they move together, super handy. Now let's turn to the right side of your screen where you'll find the Block tab. Double check that you're editing the group you just created. If you're ever unsure, the Block tab should say Group at the top. Here's an important little toggle. Look for the option related to inner blocks use content width. If this is switched on, go ahead and untoggle it. This ensures your sticky header uses the full width of your site, just like your main navigation does. If you skip this, your header could look squished or misaligned, especially on bigger screens, so it's an easy but crucial step. Alright, now for the sticky magic. Scroll down or look for the position section within the block settings. Click on the plus sign. You might have to expand or add a position if it isn't already there. When you click it, you'll see default, but right next to it you should spot another option. Sticky, go ahead and choose sticky. What you've just told WordPress is, hey, keep this header visible at the top no matter how far down someone scrolls. It's like pinning a bookmark so your visitors never lose access to your menu or key links. At this point, pause for a second and check that each setting looks right. Don't worry if you need to back up or start over. It happens to everyone as you learn. Once you're happy, all that's left is to hit save. I always recommend previewing your site to make sure everything looks good and works as expected. Try scrolling up and down. If you see the header staying put at the top, congrats, you've nailed it. And that's really all there is to it. You've just added a free sticky header to your WordPress site, no plugins or code needed. If this was helpful, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more WordPress tips just like this, so your site can keep getting better. Thanks for watching and happy creating.